let me fix my pillow. So a lot of people have been wondering and asking, and they want to know how we manage our finance and how we can afford to send 4 children to private school and still afford to do the things we do, which we don't do anything. So income wise, my husband is the only person that works in our family, apart outside of what I do here on YouTube. YouTube does not, will never ever pay my bills. My views here on YouTube are crap, really crap. I do it because I love the interaction with you guys. I love talking to you guys. That's why I do it. I don't do it for the money because there's no money. Last month I made $85 on YouTube. What am I going to do with $85? Hey baby. Yeah, so the toddler, come here. You want to be in the video? No. Okay. Oh Lord, I feel so embarrassed. No, don't play on that. It's gonna fall. Madison, don't play on that. So my husband is the only one that works, and he's a truck driver. He also has a lot of endorsement on his license, which enables him to get more money. And he also has a lot of experience driving different types of trucks. So he's very employable, if that makes any sense. Like, he can leave a job today and get another just because of what he has under his belt. So he makes decent money. I'm not going to say how much he makes, but I'm going to give you guys real figures on how much we pay each month. So for rent, I just have this rent mentality. Like, we just purchased a brand new home a few months ago. Well, we built a brand new home, a brand new house. I'm making it a home, a brand new house a few months ago, and for our mortgage we pay $1,800 a month. For car payment we pay $1,168 for car payments. For insurance for our vehicle we pay $250, and that's because Marcelo got a ticket for not having a child restraint on one of our family. That we were transporting a family member, and they didn't have car seat for the baby, so he got a ticket on that. Yes baby. So our car insurance won't drop back down until next year, next January. It's supposed to drop back down to $150, but for right now it's $250 per month for that. For tuition for our children, of our children were sponsored by the church, so we pay for 3. So that's a total of $900 and almost $1,000 for tuition for 3 kids. Yes. Well, we sent 4, but 1 is sponsored. And oh gosh, I'm not gonna be able to do this video. She's so, oh, all right. Okay. All better? Yeah. For food and miscellaneous stuff, we spend roughly anywhere from $1,000 to $1,200 a month on food, depending on what is needed. So that's just the ballpark of how much we spend on food each month. For miscellaneous item, we spend anywhere from $400 to $500 a month on just miscellaneous stuff, whether it be diapers, whether it be what are you doing, whether it be clothes for the kids because they don't have something, just miscellaneous stuff. I try to shop in seasons for the children, and it's not every year that they need clothes, but I try to shop every single season. So there's summer and fall. I only shop twice a year for the kids, summer and fall. And I can spend anywhere from $1,600 for the year on clothes for them. And for entertainment, we don't really go out just to save money. We don't go to restaurants, we don't go out to eat, we don't buy fast food on the road. We don't do any of that. We come home, cook our meal, and we sit down and eat. So we don't have a budget for eating out, because we don't eat out, because it just don't make any sense to be spending all this money on eating out when we spend so much for food. So we try to make sure that if we go out, we pack our food, or if we're out and we get hungry, we come back home and cook our meal. So that's how that goes. And then for Madison, for cable and stuff, we pay $117 for cable. For water, we pay anywhere from $300 a month up to $400. It went up all the way. The other day it was almost $600. For light, we pay $120. That's the highest we've paid for light bill. And for there's something that we are financing right now. We pay $50 something a week, so it's like 200 and some change. For credit cards, we pay anywhere from $400 to $450 per month, depending, for credit cards. And what else am I leaving out? Let me see. What else? I feel like I'm leaving out something else. For savings, we save anywhere from $600 to $700 a month. I want to up that, but right now with the kids in private school, and with car payments, it's just not gonna get any lower than that. It's not gonna get any higher than that. Come next year, a lot of stuff that we are paying for will be like our car insurance is gonna go down, so we're gonna save $100 there. One of the car is scheduled to fall off. It's a car that we're paying for, even though we don't have the car, we still have to pay for it. And also for our phone bill, we pay $225 a month on phone bills. And what else? I feel like I'm forgetting something, but I didn't write anything down because it's just all in my head, and it's all scheduled for, you know, every pay has something attached. Every paycheck has something attached to it, and that's just how I, you know, so I basically, it's all in my head. So yeah, that's how we pay our bills. That's how much it costs for a family of 7. We had to move out of Maryland because it was just too expensive, because what we're paying now in our mortgage is not what we used to pay where we lived in Maryland. It was way higher. It was much higher. And I'm happy that we now are investing in our own, you know, piece of property, and we're not just paying someone else's mortgage. Stop, don't do that. So anyways, I hope that answers a lot of your questions on how we are able to afford 5 kids, and how we pay our bills, and just how we do finance, you know. Hopefully this YouTube thing takes off, and I'm able to take that money and help my husband start up his own business, because my husband is not one to stay home. So it's not like, oh, I'm gonna get big on YouTube and he's gonna stay home and mooch off of, you know, YouTube checks. No, that's not gonna happen. That is not the type of person that my husband is. he likes to work. He's a hard worker, and I can never ever see him being at home because he just does not like to be home at all. He likes to be working. And yeah, so hopefully that's the plan, is, you know, if this YouTube thing takes off and, you know, we're able to use that money to help him to start his own business so that we can have our own stability going. Because, you know, when you work for someone, it's technically stability, but it's not really. It's a false sense of stability, because at any minute you can lose your job, you know, or something can happen, you know, and there go your income, you know what I mean? So for him, his goal in life and our goal in life is to be able to do our own thing and support our own family all by ourselves, by the money that we make. So that's one of the reasons why I work so hard and I push myself so hard on YouTube, is because I want to be able to help him financially to start his own business in the near future. So cross my fingers and everything that I'm able to make a decent living here on YouTube, where it's not just you know, because YouTube is not, you can make money off of YouTube, but you have to be fake. You have to be really fake on YouTube, and you have to put up a whole bunch of garbage, you know, just for the views to come in. You know, if you're authentic here on YouTube, nobody wants to see that. Nobody wants to see that. They just want to see a bunch of drama, a bunch of garbage, and people exploiting their children, you know, just to make a few bucks, you know what I mean? And all for it to be squandered on cars and houses, and it's just, no. But I'm not going to knock anybody for what they do, you know what I mean? So I can only do me and forget the rest. So anyways, I hope that answers a lot of your questions that you guys have on how we are able to afford 5 children. That's just it. That's just the numbers. And every night I stay up and I worry about, you know, money, because that is a lot of income going out. And if something were to happen to my husband, I'm just like paralyzed with fear that, you know, we're not gonna be, and to be honest, my husband has been out of jobs, and God has always made it just, if I were to tell you guys our testimony on how we were able to transfer from another state to where we are now, and my husband, you know, trying to find a job within the state we live, and the struggles, oh my gosh, you guys would have been like, no way, no way. But every single time we felt like we were going to fall on our face, we were just picked up and just put back up straight, standing where, you know, and it's just amazing. It's just amazing what God has done for our family and will continue to do for our family, because I put my trust in Him and no one else, you know what I mean? I don't put my trust in church or church members or friends and family. No, I put my trust in God, and He has done so much for me, and I'm just amazed. Every day I wake up and I see the things I have and my children, and I have to thank Him. I said, thank you, Lord, for my many blessings, for all my many blessings, because I know where I'm coming from, and I know the struggle that I went through as a child, and to be able to have all of this is just like, you know, even though I was broken, God is still able to make me whole, you know, and I am forever grateful for all that He has done for me. And if you are in a situation where you feel like, you know, you just can't get a break, try God. I'm telling you, try Him. Like, read your Bible, follow His commandments, claim the promises that he has given to you or to us, and you will see a difference. I lie not to you guys. You will see a tremendous difference in your life. So that's my little testimony. That's my little rant for today, and I'm gonna go see what Maddie's doing because she up to no good. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a part of our family. I would love to have you guys here with us, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.